Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a room transformation video. So basically my room has been decorated like this for the longest time. It's extremely limited because basically I'm my own apartment, and when lockdown begun, then I moved back home, and since then basically I'm going to be renting my apartment out, so I'm moving back home permanently. And my mom had started taking over my room, so it's just so cluttered with my stuff and her stuff, and I just thought, okay, well, now that I'm going to be back home, I'm going to have to redo this room, make it look pretty, and make it somewhere, a space that I can film videos, and just kind of like the background, you know. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do today. So as you can see, I've got a king size. I had a king size bed. It just took up so much room. It was so unnecessary. And yeah, I just need to sort it all out. I don't have enough storage currently as it is as well. So all that will get sorted out. I get a small double bed because, like I said, the king size is just way too big, and I need more space in my room. So let's get into it. Okay guys, I am at Ikea now. I've just parked up and I'm going to go buy some bits for my room. Oh, turn the light on. Yes, I'm going to go buy a few bits for my room. If I feel brave, I'm by myself as well. If I'm feeling brave, then I will obviously record bits of it for the video. If not, then I'll show you everything that I get when I get home. Okay, cool. So guys, I'm being a bit brave. It's not actually as busy as I thought it would be, so that's good. Somebody else. The first thing that I need to pick up are some pillowcases, some grey pillowcases, and I can't find any. Okay, so this is quite possibly the worst room transformation vlog because I've not really been doing a lot of the things myself. So yeah, I kind of felt a bit weird filming like workmen and stuff. But basically, my painter who's coming at the end of the month, I've had a right kerfuffle actually. So basically what's happened is the painter that said he was going to come in December, I messaged him to just be like, yep, it's still on for December, yeah? Does he know like an exact date? And he basically didn't reply. So then I called him, didn't get a reply, called him like pretty much every other day, and no reply. So I was like, okay. His mum was like, COVID times, you never know what's happened. So I was like, yeah, true. Let me not be mad at him. You don't know what's happened. Anyway, so then I had to find a backup plan, and then now my backup plan. So this guy was meant to, the one who I originally got was meant to do that curtain rail, was meant to remove the old one that I had of this and put this new one up, which I think is a bit too high actually. But anyway, and yeah, and then so I got a new painter, but he said he can only just do the painting. He can't do all this additional stuff. So I had to find somebody like ASAP. Luckily managed to find somebody 2 days ago. I actually found one before that, but then he messaged me and said that he's been in contact with someone who has corona, so he can't come because he's got self-isolate, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I found somebody else and he came literally 2 days later, so that was perfect. And I even got him to do my Ikea drawers as well. So that's all set up. I've moved the drawers that were there. My sister's going to have that. These are Mum's and I can't wait for them to go out because it's just making my room look so... Ooh. Anyway, but I'm just not digging this here. I feel like it's just a lot on that wall. I don't know, but my mum says maybe I'll get used to it. So I was thinking, I don't really know where else I could put it. I was thinking of maybe turning that like that and putting it against that wall and then see if I could put this other one like next to it, but I don't even think that'll work. But I don't know, I might play around with it and see. You will see the final product, and when the painter comes I'll probably like film bits of that so you can see that in progress. And yeah, that'll be all done. I'm excited to see the finished product. It's been a long old wait. Room before the transformation. Progress so far. Okay guys, so this is the finished article and I absolutely love it. So as you'll have seen from the before and the after, the cupboards are all white now, which I absolutely love. Don't mind the self-isolation outfit. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. Just love everything about it and how it's just so white and minimalist and beautiful. I need to get a longer extension wire so that I can put it like round the back and hide it in that corner, because I don't like that situation right now. Yeah, definitely need to get a new laundry bag. That one is old and it just, yeah. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. I kind of thought that I needed a rug here, but I don't want one that's going to like take up the whole space, because I feel like it helps to make this space look big by not having a rug. So I bought like a little one of those little furry ones, the fluffy ones, and it just looked ridiculous. So I thought, you know what, I think I'm going to leave it without a rug for now. But I don't know, maybe I'll see, maybe if I do get like a slightly bigger one or something, I don't know. And guys, I was thinking of having like a bit of a studio wall above my bed with like different frames. Do you think that would look good? Let me know what you think. But yeah, I am super duper happy with it. It almost felt like my room was never going to get done, because that's just another story. Oh, and this, by the way, I need to bring the grey colour from my apartment. Oh, actually I don't have a grey one, so I've got one like this colour, so I'm going to put two of the same colour down there. So yes, I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next week. Oh, I absolutely love the pink and grey theme. It looks so good. Comment down below what you think of the transformation. Okay, bye.